Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you very important way of downloading data, the very rich climate and hydrology data website, and how to download this data from this site. To do so, go to your search bar and write climateengine.org. So this is the website that I'm going to show you how to download different climate and hydrology data from this site, which is this climateengine.org. If you don't have the account, you can create your account. In my case, I have already created it, and now I'm going to access it. You see, here is the website. This is the website interface, right? Here is the map, the satellite imagery, and in the left side here we do have the parameter window or bar. Here we do have two important tabs: this make graph and make map. You can toggle between those two in order to access your data, right? For example, in make map you can fill the criteria and you can create map on your area of interest. In graph you can make graph, time series graph, and then you can download the data. So before we are going to fill this area or the parameter in the left panel, we have to be sure that we are on the right location to download our data. So now I'm going to download my data from the eastern part of Ethiopia, which is Haromaya University. You see, here it is. Now I'm going to download this important data from this Haromaya University area. You see, here it is. We do have 3 lakes in that area. And then go to here, right? Native time race. 3 options are there: native times race, summary times race, and the 2 variable scatter plot. You can compare 2 variable using scatter plot, but now we are going to compare native times race to variable analysis. And the next parameter is the region. You do have 3 options in order to download the data for that particular region. You can select point or custom polygon region or select region. For example, now for this practice, we can use polygon. When you select polygon, you can access this function, draw a rectangle or draw a shape based on your study area, right? For the time being, let's draw this shape. See, around this lake. Okay, very good. Here we do have yeah, Haromaya University with its surrounding lakes, right? And then here we can select 2 variable. Already we have select 2 variable analysis, time series data analysis. So first off, we have to fill the parameter for the variable 1. Variable 1 type should be climate and hydrology. That is the type. You can select. We do have 4 type: climate and hydrology, remote sensing, hazard, and forecast. Now let's select climate and hydrology. The next one, dataset. In this dataset, you have to select the right dataset. For example, we do have 2 datasets: global dataset and North America dataset. Okay, so in our case, we have to select global dataset, and from the global dataset, we have to select the right dataset. For example, let us select the CPC UPP, this resolution daily data, and variable. Go to this variable option. Here we have different variables like temperature, precipitation, evapotranspiration, and drought index. So for the time being, let us select this potential evapotranspiration. By the way, I like this data because it is difficult to access this this data even to calculate, because in some area to calculate it you have to have the what you call solar radiation data. In Ethiopian case, it is difficult to get solar radiation data because most of the station did not record the solar radiation data. So it is really the best option for researchers to access this data from climateengine.org. So the unit is millimeter, right? And then statistic over region mean over this polygon mean and the time. Now let us period of record from 1979 up to 2024. Very interesting. So let us first this one starting year 79 for what? This potential evapotranspiration up to what? January is 24 right? Excellent. Now we have finished variable and parameter. Next, variable 2. Now we are going to compare the two. Type, variable to type should be remote sensing. And here data set, you can select. Here we do have 3, another 3. Oh no, not only 3, right? 1, land is at surface reflectance, land is at top of atmosphere, MODIS and VIRs or Sentinel and derived products, and yeah, all these are there. So for the time being, we have selected this one, and from this dataset, we have selected NDVI, because under this dataset, we have temperature, snow, vegetation, water, and bonds and ratio, right? This is really the variable rich data set. And then here you have this resolution centimeter, and you have option 1000 meter centimeter high resolution, and custom range, the data range. Let's set the data, the start, see, 1984. The potential evapotranspiration start from what? 1979. There is somewhat a 5-year gap, but no matter. The system map or gives us the information which is there in the database. And then, okay, this one, January 1. Okay, yeah, now we have finished. Wow, interesting. You see, this is the data. With the blue color, the potential evapotranspiration over the green, which is the NDVI. Okay, you see here, download. You can download the data in different formats, in PNG image format or JPG format or PDF format or in the CSV format. Now I need the data in CSV format. Okay, here it is already downloaded. You see here we do have this data.